What if I told you that the next billion-dollar company in the EV industry might never manufacture a single electric vehicle? Not Tesla, not BYD, not Rivian. Instead, it could be the company that powers every charging station behind the scenes. Think about it. Every electric vehicle needs one thing before it can move another mile. It's charging. And as millions of new EVs hit the roads every year, thousands of businesses are rushing to install charging stations. But here's what most people don't realize. Installing chargers is the easy part. Running a profitable charging network is where the real business begins. And that's exactly where the biggest opportunities exist today. Let's put this into perspective. Governments across the world are investing billions of dollars into EV infrastructure. Automakers are launching new electric vehicles almost every month. Businesses, shopping malls, hotels, residential societies, office complexes, fleet operators, and fuel stations all are preparing for an electric future. But here's the surprising part. Owning charging stations alone doesn't build a scalable business. The companies operating long-term value are ones controlling the software, the platform that manages every charger, every customer, every platform, every transactions, and every charging session. That's why businesses across the globe are choosing Triple Minds to launch their branded EV charging station management platform instead of spending months or even years building one from scratch. Here's what most entrepreneurs underestimate. They think developing EV charging software is just another app development project. It isn't. To build a reliable platform, you need back-end engineers, mobile app developers, cloud architects, cybersecurity specialists, UI UX designers, DevOps engineers, QA testers, payment integration expert, and EV protocol specialist who understands standards like OCPP and OCPI. Now add charger communications, real-time monitoring, payment processing, fleet management, dynamic pricing, load balancing, analytics, notifications, user management, roaming support, and enterprise security. Before you know it, you are looking at 12 to 18 months of development, a team of 15 to 25 specialists, and an investment that can easily reach thousands and thousands of dollars, all before your first customer plugs in. Now imagine taking all of that complexity and replacing it with a platform that already built, tested, and ready to launch. That's exactly what Triple Minds delivers. We don't just build software, we help businesses launch their own EV charging ecosystem under their own brand. Your only name, your logo, your mobile app, your web dashboard, your pricing model, your customers, your business. Instead of spending the next year building technology, you can focus on what actually grows your company, acquiring charging stations, onboarding customers, forming partnerships, and generating recurring revenue. And that's the difference between building software and building a business. Here's one of the biggest misconceptions in the EV industry. Most people think charging stations makes money every time a vehicle gets plugged in. That's true, but that's only one income stream. The real winner builds software that generates revenue from multiple directions. Imagine owning a platform where every charging session automatically processes payments, track energy consumptions, generates invoices, manages membership, and gives you complete visibility over the network. You can introduce subscriptions plans for regular users, premium pricing during peak hours, free charging contracts for logistic companies, roaming partnerships with other charging networks, advertising on your mobile app, and detailed analytics for enterprise clients. Instead of relying on one source of income, you are creating a business with multiple recurring revenue systems. That's exactly why the world's fastest growing technology companies don't just sell products, they build platforms, and with Triple Minds, that platform already exists. You simply launch it under your own brand. Let's say you are managing 500 charging stations across multiple cities. Without a centralized platform, your team spends hours checking charger status, handling customer complaints, tracking payments, updating pricing, and responding to technical issues. Now imagine logging into one dashboard, You instantly see which charger are online, which one needs attention, which locations are generating the highest revenue, and which station require maintenance before customers even notice a problem. Your customers locate the nearest charger throughout your dashboard, mobile app, start charging with a single tap, pay digitally, receive invoices automatically, and continue their journey without calling your support system. Your fleet operators, you can assign charging limits, monitor vehicle usage, control expenses, and generate reports in minutes instead of days. This isn't just automation, it's operational efficiency that saves time, reduces cost, and creates a better customer experience. Because when your software works seamlessly, your business grows without adding unnecessary complexity. Here's something very successful entrepreneur understands. Markets don't wait. 5 years ago, businesses were asking whether electric vehicles would become mainstream. Today, the question isn't if EV adoption will happen, it's how fast it will be happen. And while you are evaluating options, someone else is launching their charging network. Someone else is signing partnership with hotels, malls, residential communities, and commercial properties. Someone else is becoming the preferred charging brand in your city. The business entering at the market today will have the advantage of customer loyalty, strategic locations, operational data, and brand recognition tomorrow. Every month you delay isn't just lost time, it lost customers, lost partnership, lost recurring revenue, and the future belongs to business that moves before the market becomes crowded. If you are serious about building an EV charging business, don't spend the next 12 to 18 months trying to reinvent technology that's already been perfected. Focus on building your network. We'll help you to power it. At Triple Minds, we've designed a white label EV charging station management solution so businesses can launch faster, scale confidently, and operate under their own brand with enterprise grade technology. Whether you are a startup entering on EV space, a charger point operator expanding your network, a fleet management company, a utility provider, a real estate developer, or an entrepreneur looking for the next high growth opportunity, this platform is built to help you move faster than your competitor. And here's the best part, you don't want to make a decision based on website or brochure. Book for a free live demo with our team. In our personalized session, we'll walk you through the admin dashboard, driver app, operational panel, revenue model, white label branding, deploying process, and the complete business workflow. We'll answer your question, understand your goals, and show you exactly how your own branded EV charging platform can be launched in weeks, not months. There are no generic presentations, no recycled sales pitches, just a practical demonstration of how your business can enter one of the fastest growing industry in the world. We have a video already in our channel. You can watch it. The link is in description. The EV revolution has already begun. The only question is, will your company be charging the future or watching someone else do it?